Hey guys, I want to show you my personal investment strategy in a simplified manner so you guys can understand how to not lose money when you are investing, even when things go down in price. uh how to take advantage of the opportunities you have and letting go of what's not good for you in the moment. So um as you can see on the right here, everything is green today except this one, except div, right? So what I do is, for one, I make sure everything in my portfolio I'm going to keep forever, okay? So this is a long-term investment strategy where you don't sell. Just make sure you have whatever stocks you like. For me personally, I pick stocks that pay a dividend. If they don't pay a dividend, I don't invest in them. Right? This is how this works. So you see, everything is green today. So what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to buy nothing that is green today. Right? And so I'm fine with these, right? I'm fine with whatever is green. Fine. That means I'm making money on it, right? What I do is I pick stocks like this, right? When they are red, it's when I do put money into them. You see, everything else is green. I will only put money into the red ones. If it's losing money, I buy more. And as you can see, I only have like $3 on this. I have like $6 on this, right? But if you do this for years to come, you're gonna end up with everything is gonna be green for you. If it's red, you're not losing money because you're not selling it. They pay you a dividend, so the more red it is and the more payments you get in the red, your dollar cost averaging by itself, it's dollar cost averaging. And having so many different positions paying you a dividend, what happens is you start getting payments like today, tomorrow, the next day. You get paid on Monday, you get paid on Tuesday, right? Because everyone is paying you on different dates. And if you have enough, then that's basically a payment for every day. But yeah, that's my long-term investing strategy. I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. Just put $1. Just pick a stock, put $1 into it, and when it goes red, you put another dollar into it. And then eventually someday it will go green, and then you're good. Either you keep it and you keep getting paid for it forever, or when it does go green and you can get out of it. So yeah, this is not financial advice. This is just me explaining my way of investing, and for people who like it, they can go ahead and do that too. All right? So there you go. Appreciate you guys watching and hearing me out. Thank you. Just leave a like and subscribe if you want to. See you guys in the next video.